Hi, welcome back to Unboxed Imagination. I'm Chanel. I hope you've had a pleasant day and that you are ready to find some time for yourself to just rest, recuperate, and be still. So, today's story is called The Garden of Promise. And before I begin to read you that story, I want to invite you to get into the space of feeling relaxed. So we're going to do something a little different today. I'm going to invite you to, if you can, lay down in the space where you are. If you are finding it difficult to lay down, I wonder if you are somewhere in a chair, just making sure that you're fully supported by the chair, or you might be sat against a wall. Just lean into that and fully allow the bed, the chair, the wall to take the weight of your body. And just notice what it feels like, just to give that weight, tension, heaviness. So just let the chair or the bed or the wall take that weight. And as you do that, I would like to invite you to don't forget to breathe. So breathe gently in through your nose and blowing the air out of your mouth. Breathing in through your nose, blowing the air out through your mouth. And as you continue to do that, I want you to relax more and more into the chair, sinking onto the bed, or pushing gently onto the wall. We're just going to have a moment, just a few seconds of quiet stillness as you do that. So we shall begin. The Garden of Promise. The air is warm, carrying the delicate fragrance of blooming flowers and fresh earth. You find yourself standing at the entrance of a beautiful garden, a hidden sanctuary filled with winding paths, fruit-bearing trees, and soft billows of wildflowers swaying in the breeze. At the center of it all, a gardener is tending to the vines. His hands are strong yet gentle as he prunes the branches, his focus unwavering. He notices you and smiles, motioning for you to come closer. You are in the right place, he says, his voice soothing. As you step into the garden, you feel something shift within you, a quietening of the noise, a stillness that settles deep into your soul. The gardener leads you to a small tree, its branches full of green leaves, but only a few blossoms. This one is still growing, he explains. It does not yet see the fullness of what it will become, but I do. You nod, running your fingers gently along the smooth bark. You can relate to this tree, still growing, still waiting, unsure of what the next season will bring. The gardener kneels beside the soil, pressing his hands into the earth. The roots must go deep before the branches reach high. The waiting is never wasted, he says. I am tending to every detail, ensuring the fruit will be abundant in time. His words settle in your heart like sunlight breaking through morning mist. How often have you longed for faster growth, for quicker answers? Yet here, in this sacred space, you begin to understand God is at work, even when you cannot see it. The gardener rises, brushing the soil from his hands. Remain in me, and you will thrive. Trust that I am cultivating something beautiful in you. You close your eyes, letting his words take root in your soul. The air is warm, the scent of jasmine and fresh earth wrapping around you like a gentle embrace. You feel lighter, more at peace, knowing that you are being nurtured, cared for, and prepared for something greater. As you settle into the soft grass, the sounds of the garden become a soothing melody, whispering leaves, tickling water, the steady heartbeat of creation. And just before sleep takes you, you hear the gardener's final promise. Rest, my beloved. You are growing in my hands. And with that assurance, you drift into deep, peaceful rest. I hope you found this story encouraging, that life is a process and we're all on a journey. And you are still growing with each and every stage of that journey. So trust the process and let it unfold. I want to bid you a good night and God bless.